Good morning students, welcome to Maths World. So today in this video continuing the introduction to trigonometry chapter, and in the exercise 8.4 today we will solve the fifth main question and first question. The first question in this chapter is cosec theta minus cot theta whole square equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. We have to prove this. This is LHS and this is RHS. So take first LHS. What is LHS? Cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. We have to use the trigonometric identities here. So what we have to do is, in the RHS it is in the form of cos, and LHS it is given cosec and cot form. So let's convert this cosec and cot into sin and cos form. 1 by cosec theta is 1 by sin theta. Write cosec theta as 1 by sin theta minus cos theta by sin theta whole square. Now take LCM this one. Sin theta, this is sin theta, and this is this one and 1. That is 1 minus cos theta whole square. So we will solve numerator and denominator separately. Write this as 1 minus cos theta whole square upon sin theta whole square. Now write it as 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Now for solving the denominator sin theta, we will write it as sin square theta. We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Therefore, sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So substitute this in denominator. That is 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta whole divided by, that is 1 minus cos square theta. Now 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta, this is of the form a square minus b square. A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. A is 1 and b is cos theta. Write 1 minus cos theta and 1 plus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta get cancelled here, and you will get the answer 1 minus cos theta and 1 plus cos theta. This is RHS. What we have to prove. So we proved cosec theta minus cot theta whole square equal to 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. Now second sub question is cos a by 1 plus sin a plus 1 by 1 plus sin a by cos a equal to 2 sec a. In the LHS, write LHS cos a by 1 plus sin a plus 1 plus sin a by cos a. We will simplify this one and we will get the result as 2 sec a. Now take LCM. LCM is cos a into 1 plus sin a. This is cos a multiply, and this is 1 plus sin a. Cos a into cos a, cos square a, plus 1 plus sin a into 1 plus sin a, 1 plus sin a whole square. Now cos square a plus, this is of the form a plus b whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab. A is 1 and b is sin a. Write it as 1 square plus sin square a plus 2 sin a into 1 upon cos a into 1 plus sin a. Now how we will simplify this one? Cos square a plus sin square a equal to 1. We know that this is the identity. So 1 plus 1, this is 1, and 2 sin a whole divided by cos a into 1 plus sin a, and 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2 sin a cos a plus 1 plus sin a. Next step is take 2 common from the numerator, that is 1 plus sin a remains here and cos a into 1 plus sin a. 1 plus sin a in the numerator and denominator gets cancelled. Remaining is 2 by cos a. You will write it as 2 into 1 by cos a, that is 2, 1 by cos a is sec. This is the RHS. Question is prove cos a by 1 plus sin a plus 1 plus sin a by cos a equal to 2 sec a. So we solve the LHS here and we get RHS as 2 sec a. Now the third sub question is tan theta by 1 by cot minus tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta upon 1 minus tan theta equal to 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta we have to prove. Here in LHS all are in the tan and cot form, and in RHS it is sec and cosec form. So for getting this in form of sec and cosec, we will convert this tan and cot into sin and cos. In textbook also it is given hint that convert tan and cot into sin and cos. Right. Therefore, LHS equal to tan is sin theta by cos theta whole divided by 1 minus cot theta is cos theta by sin theta plus, again to convert this, cot theta is cos theta by sin theta 1 minus sin theta by cos theta. Now sin theta by cos theta, for the denominator take LCM. Sin theta is LCM. This is sin theta minus cos theta plus, write as it is, cos theta by sin theta whole divided by, take LCM, cos theta. This is cos theta minus sin theta. Next is simplify, that is sin theta by cos theta whole divided by, or right here, sin theta by cos theta. Now multiply, then what it happens, denominator when it goes to numerator it becomes sin theta upon sin theta minus cos theta plus cos theta by sin theta, and this one cos theta goes to numerator, that is cos theta minus sin theta. Now simplify sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta upon cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta and plus cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta upon sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta. Now next step is, again addition is there. Take LCM of this one, or otherwise we can simplify. Here plus is there, here sin theta minus cos theta is there, and here cos theta minus and sin theta is there. So we can rewrite this as cos theta minus sin theta as sin theta minus cos theta by changing sign here. His plus is here, and we will change sign minus, and this will get, we will write it as sin theta minus cos theta. That is sin square theta by cos theta sin theta minus cos theta minus cos square theta sin theta. This becomes sin theta minus cos theta. That is sin theta minus sin theta is there. It becomes plus when we change the sign here. Here minus into plus, minus sin theta, and minus into minus plus cos theta. Here is cos theta. Whenever we rewrite here, the original value should not get changed. So now take LCM. What is LCM? Sin theta minus cos theta is, and sin theta cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta is LCM. So here what we have to multiply? Cos theta sin theta minus cos theta is there, multiply by sin theta. Here sin theta into sin theta minus cos theta is there, multiply here by cos theta. Sin square theta into sin theta, this becomes sin cube theta minus cos cube theta. Now we can apply the formula here, a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. Here a is sin theta, b is cos theta. The formula is a cube minus b cube. This is of the form a cube minus b cube, that is a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. So rewrite, that is a cube minus b cube is a minus b, that is sin theta minus cos theta. Then a square, that is sin square theta, plus b square cos square theta, plus ab, that is sin theta into cos theta, whole divided by, write as it is, sin theta cos theta upon sin theta minus cos theta. Now sin theta cos theta, this get cancelled here, and remaining is sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 plus sin theta cos theta. In the denominator, this is sin theta cos theta. We will simplify as 1 upon sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta by sin theta cos theta. So this is get cancelled here. Now 1 by sin theta, 1 by cos theta plus 1, this is the final here, and 1 by sin theta is cosec theta, and 1 by cos theta is sec theta plus 1. This is the RHS. I think you have understood this step. Why we have divided both. See here, if a plus b by 2 is there, we can write it as a by 2 plus b by 2. We will divide it 2 for both a and b. Similarly, 1 upon sin theta by cos theta, 1 by sin theta by cos theta plus sin theta cos theta by sin theta cos theta. So this is the RHS. Now next fourth question is 1 plus sec a upon sec a equal to sin a upon 1 minus cos a. LHS is 1 plus sec a and this is RHS. In textbook it is given that simplify separately both RHS and LHS. First we will simplify LHS. LHS is 1 plus sec a by sec a. So convert this into cos form. That is 1 plus sec is 1 by cos a whole divided by sec a is 1 by cos a. Take LCM. That is cos a. This is cos a plus 1 divided by 1 by cos a. Now 1 plus cos a, right as it is. This is cos a into 1 by cos a becomes cos a by 1. So get cancelled here. This is 1 plus cos a is RHS. Now similarly we simplify this LHS. LHS is sin a by 1 minus cos a. Sorry, it is sin square a. It is given sin square a. So we will apply the formula identity, that is sin square a plus cos square a equal to 1. Sin square a equal to 1 minus cos square. Therefore write here 1 minus cos square a upon 1 minus cos a. This is of the form a square minus b square. That is a minus b into a plus b. What it becomes? That is 1 minus cos a, that is a minus b into a plus b, 1 plus cos a b upon 1 minus cos a. 1 minus cos a cancel. Remaining is 1 plus cos a in the denominator. So this is LHS. So we have proved that LHS equal to RHS, that is 1 plus cos a. Therefore 1 plus sec a by sec a equal to sin square a by 1 minus cos a. We have proved the question here. Now fifth question is cos a minus sin a plus 1 whole divided by cos a plus sin a minus 1 equal to cosec a plus cot a. In LHS all terms are in sin and cos form, and in RHS they are in cosec and cot form, and in textbook it is given that use the identity cosec square minus cot square equal to 1. Here we cannot directly apply anywhere here. So let's simplify first. So LHS is what here? First LHS cos A minus sin A plus 1 divided by cos A plus sin A minus 1. What we will do is, we will convert this cos and sin into cosec and cot. For converting cot and cos, if we divide both numerator and denominator by sin, we will get cot form. See, cos by sin is cot. Sin by sin is 1 and 1 by sin is, you will get cosec here. So, divide both numerator and denominator by sin A. That is cos A by sin A minus sin A by sin A plus 1 by sin A whole divided by, this also divided by sin A. That is cos A by sin A plus sin A by sin A minus 1 by sin A. Now cos A by sin A is cot A minus 1, this 1 plus 1 by sin A is cosec A whole divided by, this is cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Now we have got the RHS in the cot and cosec form. So next step is, we will rewrite this one. Rewrite this as cot A plus cosec A minus 1 upon cot A minus cosec A plus 1. Now we will use the formula, that is cot square A plus 1 equal to cosec square A. That is cosec square A minus cot square A equal to 1. This is the identity. We will do this identity here 1. This is cot form and we can rewrite 1 as cosec square and cot square form. Now what we have to do is cot A plus cosec A minus, substitute 1 or replace 1 by cosec square A minus cot square A. This is cosec square A minus cot square A whole divided by cot A minus cosec A plus 1. Now cot A plus cosec A. Now how we will simplify this one is, write the square bracket. This is of the form A square minus B square. A is cosec A and B is cot A. That is A plus B into A minus B. That is cosec A plus cot A into cosec A minus cot A. We will write cosec A plus cot A into cosec A minus cot A. This is this one. Now whole divided by, write as it is, cot A minus cosec A plus 1. Don't convert both 1 here. In the numerator and denominator, do not convert 1. That is, here in this first term cot A plus cosec A is there, and in this form here cosec A plus cot A is there. So take out cosec A plus cot A or cot A plus cosec A common term. That is cot A plus cosec A. When you take out common from this both term, remaining here is 1. You have taken common here 1, then minus, remaining is cosec A minus plus cot A. See the step here. Cot A plus cosec A from this term and this term you take out common here. Remaining here is 1 minus, that is cosec A minus cot A. Cosec minus into plus minus and minus into minus plus cot A whole divided by cot A minus cosec A plus 1. So here we can rewrite it as, here cot A plus cot A is there, plus cot A minus cosec A minus cosec A plus 1 plus 1. This is also one term and this is also one term. We can cancel here. For cancelling, write as cot A plus cosec A into 1 minus cosec A plus cot A whole divided by, rewrite this one, that is 1 minus cosec A plus cot A. This get cancelled here. Remaining is cot A plus cosec A. This is RHS. We have proved the RHS, cosec A plus cot A. Whenever proving like sums, we have to see that what are the LHS and RHS. Can we convert the cos sign and into cot or tan, and we will simplify the answer. So this completes the first 5 questions of the 5th question, and we will see next questions in the next session. Okay, thank you.